Ever wondered how to navigate the complex yet rewarding world of Adobe Premiere Pro? Well, ponder no more. This tutorial will guide you through the process, breaking down the steps to ensure you can make the most out of this industry-leading video editing software. Mazu yuzentahuesu wolijies suruko togajong yao desu. Adobe Premiere Pro no wakusupesuha, puroziku topaneru sosumonita, taimurain, puroguramu monitano 4, tsunoju yao nasekushiyonifen, karetimasu. The project panel is where you import and organize your media. It's like a filing cabinet for your video clips, audio files, and graphics. The source monitor is a preview window where you can watch and trim your clips before adding them to the timeline. Speaking of the timeline, this is where the magic happens. It's your canvas, where you piece together your clips, add transitions, and weave in audio to create a compelling narrative. Lastly, the program monitor is where you see the final output of your edited video. After familiarizing yourself with the workspace, the next step is to import your media. Go to File, then Import, and select the files you wish to use. Once your media is in the project panel, you can begin editing. Drag your clips into the timeline and use the razor tool to make cuts where necessary. To add transitions, go to the Effects panel, select the desired transition, and drag it onto the timeline between your clips. For audio, drag your sound files into the timeline just like video clips. You can adjust the audio levels by dragging the line in the middle of the audio clip up or down. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Premiere Pro, the more you'll discover its potential. This tutorial has only scratched the surface of what's possible. In summary, we've explored the Premiere Pro workspace, learned how to import media, and discovered the basics of editing, including cutting clips, adding transitions, and adjusting audio levels. Whether you're crafting a short film, a music video, a vlog, or any other video content, Adobe Premiere Pro gives you the tools to bring your vision to life. So dive in and start creating your masterpiece.